it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the hairy navel. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Vodka, I have here from Hanger 1. Peach schnapps, I have here from Mr. Stacks. Orange juice, a cherry, and an orange. 5 items. It's still time, let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a tall glass, a jigger, and a knife. First up, what we're going to do is cut our garnish. Set the orange aside. Grab your vodka. Pour 1 ounce of vodka into the shaker. Now grab your peach schnapps. Pour 1 ounce of peach schnapps into the shaker. It's orange juice time. Pour 3 ounces of orange juice into the shaker. Add ice. Close your lid. And now it's time to shake your drink. Add ice into your glass. Pour your drink. And the last step is to add your garnish. And there you go, my friends, the hairy navel. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.